Jest World YouTube channel where we live, learn, adventure, and charity. We talk about finance, travel, personal development, and community service. If you're interested in this kind of content, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you.
Hello good people, hoping you're doing well. In today's video, it's a continuation of our previous video where we shared different detergents that you can purchase from the shop. However, on the flip side, today we're going to look at our other options that we can exercise other than shopping for the detergents from a shop. That is, making use of what you have in the house or making the detergents yourself at home. Maybe I should start by asking, have you ever made a detergent at home? And what did you use? If you're a content creator and you have made a video of a detergent, please put the link down below. And if you're interested in making detergent at home, kindly check through the comments to see if the link will be shared. If it will be shared or I get more links, I will put them on, I'll pin them on the comment section. We're going to start the first affordable product that you will either be able to purchase on a good rate or perhaps you already have it in the house. That is white vinegar. It is a natural cleaner which you can use to clean around the house for your kitchen sinks, countertops, windows, microwave, floor, stove, and other household surfaces. Vinegar helps eliminate odors and remove dirt. And it can also be used with other ingredients like baking soda to scrub hard surfaces. However, be warned, it can damage some surfaces, so you always check or test patch before you use it, especially for neat vinegar when you want to use it for cleaning. The next product you can use is baking soda, which is also a good cleaning agent. It acts as a cleaning agent because it is a mild alkali and can cause dirt and grease to dissolve easily in water for effective removal. It is pure and natural, of course, that is why we also use it for cooking, and it is non-toxic unlike many other household cleaners. So what are the surfaces that you can use baking soda for? The oven, you can use it for carpets and curtains, you can use it for the shower, you can use it for the mugs which are stained and are hard to clean. You can also use it to drain your drainage and your sink. You can use it for your cookware and laundry. Apparently, it gets rid of odor on dirty clothes and keeps whites whiter at the same time by just adding a cup of baking soda to your laundry every time you wash. And it also helps keep bright colors bright too. Did you know that? Comment down below. You can also use baking soda to clean your fridge and your microwave. However, you are advised not to use baking soda for your aluminum cookware. Also, avoid using it for antique silver, gold-plated serving pieces, and marble surfaces. If you know of any other uses of bicarbonate soda, that is baking soda, you can always comment down below. Let us also learn from you. The next home cleaner we are going to talk about is lemon. You can use it to clean your microwave, to clean your cutting boards. It's basically an all-purpose kitchen cleaner, and you can use it to freshen your garbage. You can use it to scrub stubborn stuck on food on dishes, and also to clean and deodorize smelly plastic containers. Comment down below with any other uses of lemon in the house for purposes of cleaning. The next product we are going to talk about is vodka. You can use it for your different rooms. What I will say is grab the cheapest bottom shelf vodka, and you're going to use it for a few things in your house. One, you're going to use it in your bedroom for linen spray. You are going to combine half a cup of vodka, 1.5 cups of water, and about 30 drops of your favorite essential oil in a spray bottle, and you spray it on the linens on your bed or in your closets. That helps in refreshing your room. The next thing is you can disinfect the mattress. For this, all you need is vodka. You remove the sheets on the bed, pour a shot or two of vodka into a spray bottle and spray away. This is also great for your guest bedroom because you can use it whenever you are changing. There are different people coming in. The next place you can use vodka is bathrooms. You can use it to clean your glass and mirror. Vodka has solvent qualities that cleans mirrors and glass without streaking. To make a quick glass and mirror cleaner, combine in a spray 1 cup of vodka, 1 cup of water, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. The next one is it helps get rid of soap scum. Spray vodka when you need it most in the shower or tub. Let it sit for 20 minutes, then rinse and dry. Repeat as needed. You can also use vodka for your laundry to remove sweaty scents. All you need is to fill a spray of bottle with 4 parts of water and 1 part of vodka. Spray both sides of the garments under areas, then let it sit overnight. Then clean as usual. For the kitchen, you can use it to remove grease on different surfaces and countertop. You can either use dry vodka or you can mix equal parts of vodka with water. Vodka can also be used to disinfect every surface in the kitchen, plus it smells amazing. For you to make a multi-purpose cleaner out of vodka, mix 1.25 cup of water, 1/4 cup of vinegar, and 1/4 cup of vodka. Then add 15 drops of lemon essential oil. One of the best parts about using vodka to clean, other than shining surfaces, is that it does not fill your house or the room with harsh chemicals. If you're using these products, kindly comment down below. Also, let us know if you would consider using the products. Kindly comment down below with other products someone can consider using during these harsh economic times to be able to manage the cost and still have a clean house and surfaces. On the next part of this video, we're going to talk about tips on how you can save money as you shop for your detergents. The first tip is buying in bulk. You know the requirement of your house, so you can consider buying for like 3 months or even 5 months, because they say detergents typically are good for like about 6 months to a year, so you can shop for a longer period. The next tip is make your own. Instead of buying detergents, you can always come up with your own at home, and I'm sure someone somewhere has also a business of selling these detergents, so you can also buy from the locally made detergents, which will tend to be fairly cheaper as compared to the branded ones. Next tip is changing your detergent. If your detergent is very expensive and there is a cheaper detergent at the shop or at the supermarket, you can always choose to take the cheaper option as long as it will do a good job. However, our next tip is something that you also need to consider when you're changing your detergent, which is buy good products. Do not just buy a detergent because it is cheap. Ensure it is a detergent that is not substandard. Remember, if you buy substandard detergent, it will mean you're going to use more. So the saving that you are eyeing will not be there now. The next tip is you can consider using less detergent than you're already using at the moment. That will help you in a saving here and there. The next tip is skip fabric softener. Instead, use vinegar as a fabric softener. Add half a cup of distilled white vinegar to the final rinse water. A mild acid in the vinegar will help loosen any final detergent residue that causes the laundry to be stiff that is still clinging to the clothes. You can also enhance your detergent, but that is, you use a lesser quantity and perhaps consider generic products by use of baking soda. This will save you money and still retain the clothes looking brighter. Baking soda will also help control perspiration odor and regulate the acidity of water to make detergent and bleach work more effectively. The final tip, which should be a last resort perhaps, is wash your clothes with just water and no detergents. I don't know how possible that is or how you would feel. Sometimes you feel even when you wash your hands without soap that it doesn't get clean. So it might be difficult for you to wash without soap, but if it is a last resort, you can always consider using that option. And of course, you can also use more clothes for less detergent. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any feedback on these two videos on cleaning and detergents products, kindly comment down below. Let us have your take on the videos, and also let us have your feedback as to what else we can consider when shopping for detergents, or when you have to make the detergents. Once again, if you have a video, put the link down below. Thank you so much to my returning subscribers and my premier gang. I value your support. Thank you for always watching our videos, for always ensuring that you comment, like and share. And if you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our videos. See you on our next one.